talking about the differences between an event instance versus a session, we can go ahead and use a standard first aid course as our example. So based on our previous video, we've gone ahead and added sessions to our bubble number one. Each bubble actually represents a different instance for the standard first aid course. So our first one that's happening is scheduled for September 18th to the 20th. You will notice that there's an add schedule session button under that bubble number one. But underneath that, we do have another option that says add new event instance. So let's say, for example, the first A standard course will be happening September 18th to the 20th. The next set of registration for the standard first aid course for a new bunch of clients, that's going to be considered a new event instance because it's a new set of registration. The clients will be new, they will have to sign up again. They will also have to pay another 150 again to sign up for it. So in that case, let's say the next one will be happening the weekend after that. So if we take a look at our calendar, that's going to happen on the 25th to the 27th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on add a new event instance. So that's going to be a new set of registration. And let's say it's going to happen in location A again. And let's say the time is running exactly the same. So let's say 9 a.m. for 8 hours. And this time, the day will be for the following week, 25th to the 27th. So again, we're going to select Sunday, Friday, and Saturday. Go next. And this time, let's say Mark is going to be teaching it and he'll have a class rate associated. We're going to go next. No special instructions. We're good on that front. We're going to complete this. Once that's done, you will now see a bubble number two, and that is our second instance of our standard first aid course. Again, if you take a look, number one and two, each of these are a separate instance, meaning that whoever registers in the first one, let's say they want to come back again the following week for whatever reason, they have to pay 150 to register in the first course. They will have to pay another 150 to register into the second course. Hence, these are two separate event instances. Now, under each of the event instances, you will notice the add schedule session button, which was the very first button that we talked about in the previous video. In this case, let's just say September 18th to the 20th. Yes, it's happening Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 9 to 5. But the people running it, they've decided that they're going to add an additional session. Maybe it's going to happen on an extra day on Thursday evening. What we can do is we're going to go under this event instance number one. We're going to say we're going to add an additional session so that whoever's already enrolled in this event instance, they will automatically be added to the attendance list for that additional session that I'm adding in. So let's say it's going to happen Thursday from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Just a quick orientation. We're going to go under this number one, go add schedule session, location A, and we're going to set this up. Let's say it's from 7 p.m. just for, let's say 1 hour for a quick orientation. And we're only going to leave it as a specific day because I'm only saying it's only on Thursday. So if I take a look, that's going to be on the 17th. Okay, go next. And let's say it's with Arizona because she was the one teaching that. We're going to go next. Oh, we're going to select the pay rate first, sorry. Go next. Great. We can maybe leave a little special instruction. This session is a quick orientation um, and also to hand out reading materials prior to the start of the course. We're going to go ahead and complete this. Now we come back to our event instance page. You will now see under number one, aside from the original Friday, Saturday, Sunday that we scheduled from 9 to 5 for that 8 hours, there's an additional Thursday session that's happening on the 17th from 7 to 8 p.m. in the same location. So that's how you would add a scheduled session within an event instance versus using the add new event instance to set up a whole new instance, a whole brand new registration that clients will have to enroll in and pay for the event again.